everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make yoghurt pomme pomme. It's a very popular homemade cake in Japan. My mom used to make this cake at home and I remember I used to help her. The original one uses only apple, but my mom used to arrange the recipe using banana and apple and it was amazing. You can arrange this recipe in the way you like. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I'm using leftover banana and apple, thinly sliced the fruits, oil, butter, or spray the pie dish. You need unsweetened yogurt, sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, any sugar will do. Add eggs and mix well. Sifting flour and baking powder. Then mix well again. My kids did a great job. Pour half of the batter into the pie dish. Arrange sliced apples and bananas. Pour the remaining mixture over the fruits. Bake in oven for 30 minutes or nicely browned. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Oishii?
縦どこ押してね、ボイボイ。
はい。
せーの。
倒れんの？
これをここに置いて。
はい。
それからこれどんどん。
あ、そう？
やめて。
じゃあやってみて。
これ？